We deliver our mid-market customers with process understanding, industry expertise, and unique cloud DNA. We are 100% convinced of SAP Business ByDesign, and more than 100 successful implementations are our experience for all our customers today. With SAP Business ByDesign and our integrated maintenance solution for cloud and also our mobile apps, companies are in the best possible position. Consistent, interdependent processes in the internal maintenance with a complete documentation, including digital files, are integrated. We actually have three solution elements. The first is the EAM for cloud element, which makes all the necessary core processes for maintenance and service available in the ERP system. The second is our mobile app, which enables technical faults or accidents to be reported quickly and smart to the service desk in just a few seconds. Thirdly, our IoT cockpit. The connection of machine and business processes is a very individual topic. Hardly any machine is the same as another, and therefore their connection is not standardized. The IoT cockpit can implement this challenge very well. We provide an IoT platform based on the SAP platform, and the rules part of the IoT cockpit for automation can then be set up flexibly and customer specifically. We want to be a partner to our customers who support them in the digitalization of their business processes. We go forward with our customers' challenges, and that's why we develop and offer additional solutions or extensions for SAP Business ByDesign. We believe that this is one reason why we are so successful. Our plan is, as we continue to develop, to position this solution in the SAP Business ByDesign environment as the most powerful and best solution. Our solution portfolio covers many business areas, and our customers find with us a broad range of solutions. And the result is a smart and a system landscape in which processes are interconnected. Our customers and also our partners are our success and gave us a lot of ideas for new solutions.